Hello everyone, my name is Reja and welcome to a brand new tutorial on inner and outer block. Let's see how to use inverser to variable in a block. And now if we execute this query block, and here we can see the employee name is regional and our variable with whose type is inverser2 and its size is 100. And inside the begin block we can see the variable name and reassign the value Reza, regional Reza, and the uh, inverser2 type variable is is using inside the dbms put line function, and this is the result. Now we will see how to we declare the outer and inner block in anonymous block. So let's see. And here you can see the inner and outer in begin and end. So I just want to declare another declaration part in. Here we can see the begin and end block, and inside the begin and end block we can see the declaration and begin and end block inside the begin and end. So this is the another declaration, and its the variable declaration is b employee salary and its type is number, 18, 2 and its value. And inside the begin and end block here we can we just print the result of employee salary, um, and this is the another one. So this is inner one. So if I execute this one we can see the employee salary which is uh, this one, and employee name which is empty here because we don't have we don't have value to it. So if we reassign the value in here one, and if I execute this one we can see I just want to execute this one once again. Here we can see the salary and the employee name is here. So in this way we can use the declaration inner and outer block. This one is inner and this one is outer block. Now we will see how do we declare the outer and inner block exception. Now I just want to add another string here type inner. This one is inner block, and I just want to use this inner block um, after the end. So this one is outer, and I just want to add another string here outer. So if I execute this one, here we can see the identifier employee salary must be declared. So this is the error raise message. So if we will try to use the inner block variable to outer, then the error will raise. So question is here, how do we resolve the issue that we face, or how do we use the inner and outer variable um, in inner and outer section. So let's see how do we resolve this problem. So I just want to we declare the variable employee name here, and I just want to put some value to it. In employee name, employee salary, and email 7@gmail.com, and this one is inner. And if I use this inside the outer output line, and this one is execute this one, we can see the actual result that we expected. This one, and this is the result, and which can be used outside the or outer block, and here it is. And inside the inner block we can see the value that we assign in declare section. So this one is, so in this way we can use the inner variable inside inner and outer section. But another question is here, how do we use the outer variable value to inside begin and inner beginning block. So this is the outer block and begin and end section, and inside the block we can see this one is outer and this one is inner. And the inner section we declare outer, and if we execute this one, here we can see the outer one is reachable, and this is the last one, and which well is reachable, and this one inner. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.